Hi, we are from Excel Public School, Mysore.
We would like to introduce our product, the helmet buckling system. Our product is a small attachment that can be fixed to any helmet to remind the rider to buckle his helmet. In our initial research, we found that road accidents were the major reasons for fatalities. We also came across some startling statistics. 43% of the road accidents involve two-wheelers. Out of the 43%, more than 20% of the deaths was caused by not wearing helmet correctly. We surveyed around 200 riders and came to know that at least more than 25% of the people do not buckle up their helmet. Wearing a helmet like a cap does not serve the purpose of protecting the head from injury. Even in minor accidents, riders who do not buckle their helmets face major head injuries. If we make sure that if the more than 25% of the riders fasten their helmet straps, then we can reduce the casualty percentage greatly.
Our product has a force-resistive sensor fixed on the inside of the helmet. The force-resistive sensor is positioned in such a way that the helmet will come in contact with the rider's head when the helmet is worn. When sufficient pressure change is sensed by the sensor, an Arduino playback module will be triggered. The triggered Arduino playback module will play a voice message to buckle the helmet. The helmet strap is fixed with a touch sensor. When the helmet strap is fastened, the touch sensor is touched and a signal from the touch sensor stops the message from the Arduino playback module. This simple system is Arduino based and the Arduino board is powered by a battery. I am Dhruv and I worked with the design and logo creation.
We tried the helmet with our friends and our school housekeeping staff. They liked it but felt that the volume of the audio message has to be increased slightly. They also suggested that it would be good if the whole attachment is more compact and comes in one piece. We propose to make our product more sustainable by powering it using solar energy in the future. We all developed these solutions and contributed the background research. Hi, I'm Harshith and I worked with the Arduino codes.
Thanks for watching us in signing of the HBS team.